Hello audience, I'm Fitrulandari. I am a student of Islamic Education, Study Sultan Syarif Hasyimsyah Sri Indrapura with Super King Lecture, Mrs. Tiara Panduwinata MPD. Today, I will explain about active voice and passive voice. Active voice is when the subject is doing the action or work. Jadi, active voice atau kalimat aktif adalah di mana subjek yang melakukan pekerjaan atau tindakan. For example, I make a cake. The formula is subject plus verb 1 plus object. Terdapat kata I sebagai subjek yang melakukan tindakan, kata make sebagai verb 1, and cake sebagai objek. Jadi, saya membuat sebuah kue. Different from the passive voice. Passive voice is a sentence where the subject is subject to action or work. Sedangkan kalimat pasif adalah di mana subjek dikenai tindakan atau pekerjaan. For example, the cake is made by me. The formula is subject plus is or am or are plus verb 3. Ada kata the cake sebagai subjek yang menerima tindakan, is sebagai to be, made sebagai bentuk kata kerja ketiga dari make, and me yang melakukan pekerjaan. For using verb in active voice, it's very flexible. You can use verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, or verb being, according to the tenses. Different from the passive voice, it's easy to just use be plus verb 3. For be there are many kinds. There is am, are, was, were, be, been, being, according to the tenses. For verb in the passive voice, always use the verb 3. We can see in PowerPoint, there are active and passive voice formulas for all tenses. Okay, now I will change the active voice to passive voice based on tenses. Saya akan mengambil 5 contoh aktif dan passive voice berdasarkan tenses yang sering kita gunakan dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Yang pertama, ada simple present yang menunjukkan kejadian saat ini. Present continuous menunjukkan kejadian hari ini tapi sedang berlangsung. Present perfect menunjukkan kejadian hari ini tapi sudah berlangsung. Simple past yang terjadi di masa lampau, and simple future yang terjadi di masa mendatang. Untuk simple present active voice rumusnya subject plus kata kerja pertama plus object. For example, I do homework every night. Ketika dirubah ke passive voice, rumusnya menjadi subject plus is atau am atau are plus kata kerja ketiga. For example, the homework is done by me every night. Untuk present progressive active voice rumusnya subject plus is atau am atau are plus verb ing. Contohnya, I do my homework every night. Dan ketika dirubah ke passive voice rumusnya menjadi subject plus is atau am atau are plus being plus kata kerja ketiga. Contohnya, the homework is being done by me every night. Being sebagai to be and done sebagai kata kerja ketiga. Untuk present perfect active voice rumusnya subject plus have atau has plus verb 3. Contohnya, I have done homework every night. Ketika dirubah ke passive voice rumusnya subject plus have atau has plus been plus verb 3. Contohnya, the homework have been done by me every night. Untuk contoh simple past active voice rumusnya subject plus kata kerja kedua plus object. Contohnya, I did homework every night. Ketika dirubah ke passive voice menjadi subject plus was atau were plus verb 3. Contohnya, the homework was done by me every day. And finally, untuk contoh simple future active voice, rumusnya subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. Contohnya, I will do homework every night. Ketika dirubah ke passive voice menjadi subject plus will plus be plus verb 3. Contohnya, the homework will be done by me every night. Okay, that's an explanation of active voice and passive voice. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.